Hello, you gorgeous lot. My name is Erin, and I am here today from Offbeat to look at our simple sites. This is the first in our simple sites series where we will be teaching you how to edit your site, how to add blog posts, how to add products if your site is ready for WooCommerce. And today I just want to talk a little bit about what simple sites are and the processes behind them. So, simple sites are Offbeat's solution to websites that feel bespoke but without a bespoke price tag for small businesses. Because just because you're a small business doesn't mean that you have to have a horrible DIY templatey website. So, they are perfect for you if you are sick of overpriced subscriptions for subpar website builders, B, want a website that will grow with you and understand that WordPress is the absolute best CMS for that, and C, if you don't want a tacky template, because when your business looks good, you feel good and you're more confident about your ability to do well in your business. So we want to be able to provide you with something that will grow with you, something that isn't overpriced, and something that doesn't look nasty and cheap and templating. So our simple sites begin with our 4 bases. So we have market, we have studio, we have hype, and we have influence. And these 4 bases are the basic formatting of your site. You don't have to worry about the colours, the images, the fonts, the page names. All of that's going to be branded to you, but this gives us a base to start with. So I wouldn't even consider it a template because we're going to be doing so much with it to make it all yours. So when we do our series, we're going to be using the Granny's Bay website as our example site, and this is built based on our hype base. But as you can see, it's completely branded. It looks absolutely gorgeous, if we do say so ourselves, and it doesn't look like a nasty template website. And that's because it is fully customized and made for the Granny's Bay brand. So when you come to us for a simple site, first you pick your base and then you pick your process. Our processes are duplicate, which costs £185, and that is a case of us taking the simple site's base, importing it into your WordPress installation, and then that's our job done. The half and half process is £450, and with that we take the base, we import it into your WordPress installation, and then you provide us with all the text and images and your brand guidelines, and we will use all of that to create the website for you. And then the done for you solution is where we take the base, we import it into your WordPress installation, and then we have discovery sessions with you where we will use what you tell us to create your content for you. So we will write up your copy, we will source images, and we will build your website from that. If you think you need more than that, then you'd be going into bespoke territory, which starts at £695. So with our simple sites, this is a one-off payment. We do offer payment plans because we understand that small businesses don't have £700 to spend right now. But it's a one-off payment, which means you don't have to worry about any subscription fees. All you have to worry about on top of the website is making sure that you have your domain and your hosting sorted, and we can help you out with that. So simple sites are perfect for small businesses. And in our Simple Sites series, we are going to be looking at how to edit the copy and images. We are going to be looking at how to add a blog post. And if your site is WooCommerce ready, then we will also be looking at how to add products to your store. So stay tuned, and if you have any questions at all, you can contact us on our website, offbeatweb.co.uk, or talk to us on social media. And we would love to work on some more simple sites.